Hello everyone. So, karon na itong i-connect ang remainder theorem. Ang nakabutang sa remainder theorem is that if a polynomial px is divided by x minus c, then the remainder is pc. Lisod siya sabton if like this. Pero mas masayon ni mo og sabot if mag-solve na gyud ka. Example number 1. What is the remainder when 3x raised to the power of 100 na plus 55x cubed minus 1 is divided by x plus 1. So since naman tay kuan diri nga x minus c, ang kaning x plus 1 is ato ni equals to 0. So x plus 1 is equals to 0. Imo na i-transpose, so x is equals to negative 1. So ang imuhang i-mind diri kay kaning p. Ang p nimo is kani ang gi-divide. Ang gi-divide ha mo na ang p. So ibutang nimo px. Ang imong ibutang is p. Ya, pila ang x gani, substitute na dani mong x pila. Diba, negative 1. Is equals to, ibutang ni nimo ang given nga i-divide nimo. So, 3x raised to the power of 100 plus 55 x cubed minus 1. Na. So, after ana is imo siya i-substitute, and since x is negative 1, so imo siya i-substitute og negative 1. 3 yang x raised to the power of 3 times 1 raised to the power of 100 plus 55 times negative 1 na siya, negative 1 raised to the power of 3 minus 1. And then imo na dayon na i-solve. So since 100 is even, so may mo na siya positive. So negative 1 raised to the power of 100 is positive 1, di ba? Positive 1 times 3 is equals to positive 3. Kani, since this is raised to the power of 3 and 3 is odd, so it will be negative. So negative 1 ang answer diri. Negative 1 times 55, negative 55. Nya, minus 1. And then, imura dayon ni continue. 3 minus 55, pila man? Negative 52. Tama ba? 52 lagi. Negative 52 minus 1, negative 53. So your remainder is negative 53. Tama guys, tama. Ang next example is basahon nimo ang subtun jud nimo ang given. If 47 is remainder, nanay remainder nga gihatag 47 when 3x cubed plus 5x squared minus 3x plus k is divided by x minus 2. Find k. So, atong pagkitaon is k. So, balik na po ta. Diri p. Pilang unsa atong p? Kani diba ang i-divide? Na p. Ang atong x pila diba ko ani equals to 0. So, since x minus 2 man na is equals to 0, then, may mo siya, i-transpose ang negative 2, x will be 2. Na. It's equals to, ang remainder nimo, ang remainder, 47. Then, ibutang nimo ang p. Ibutan nimo ang p, which is kani. Ibutan nimo ha. 3x cubed plus 5x squared minus 3x plus k is equals to 47. So if you're wondering asa ang 2, so since di ba x na siya, so ang value sa x is 2, so yung muna siya substitute karon. Sige, 3 2 cube plus 5 2 squared minus 3. Ayaw jud mo kalibog sa mga signs kay di jud mo mga mali. Kani 2 cube pila man? 2 times 2 4 times 2 8 times 8 times 3 24, positive 24. 2 times 2 ay 2 square 4 times 5 20 plus 20. Ano 2 times negative 3 negative 6 plus k is equals to 47. Na do the operation. 24 plus 20 44. 24 plus 20 44. 44 minus 6 38. Tama ba? 18. Okay, 38 plus k is equals to 47. Kana na lang, di ba, mabilin? And then, imo i-transpose ang 38 to 47. So, mahimo na siya og k is equals to 47 minus 38. Which is, ang answer is k is equals to pila man? 38 to 9. The answer is 9. Naputol. So, ang answer na to is k is equals to 9. Ano ang answer? That's it, guys.